want to eat? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come. Come. Do you want to eat? Nakita lang namin to kanina sa sa harapan ng school. Dumapo siya doon. Come here. Okay. Come. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby love bird. Come here, come here. Come here. Why are you at the back? Come, come, come. Come here. I wanna hold you. I wanna hold you. Yeah. What do you wanna eat? Huh? What you do? You wanna eat something? I will buy you later the pakwan seeds or what is ano bang kinakain mo? Come here. Why are you hiding at the back? Why are you hiding there? Look at you, baby. Oh, lumabas siya sa kanyang hawla. Pag open ko ng aming room ay andito na siya. Oh, lumabas siya. Lumipad. Oh, nagutom ka na? Bilang kita mamaya, okay? Bibilang kita ng pagkain mo. Okay, baby? Oh, it's a baby lovebird. A baby, this one. Come here, come here. Come here. Yeah. Sorry, I don't have food for you. Okay, later I will buy something in the co-op, okay? Okay? Kakain muna ako and then lalabas ako para bumili ng iyong pagkain sa labas, okay? Para makakain ka na rin, baby bird. Come here. Come. 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 Come here. Oh, baby, come. Choo. Come here, my love. Come here, my love. Come here. Come. Come here, my love. Oh, give me the hobby na ho. Kain muna ako, tapos bibilhan kita ng pagkain, okay? Ilagay muna kita sa iyong hawla. Okay, mommy.